Saturday morning at 11 on 560 KSFO.
It could be information to change your life forever. Or the Something You Should Know podcast.
He's at work while you're not working, and then she sees you not working when she's off. Then she's got a little different mindset about it. So that's what Marcus is dealing with.
Transform your sex life forever. I recommend Noxatril to men everywhere. It's been formulated and developed in U.S. FDA labs. No prescription, no side effects. So call now and take advantage of an incredible free bottle offer shipped discreet.
A lot now.
The games, I'll see how close I can get on them.
A qualifying rate so that it actually